As we practice physical yoga posture and mindfulness, our ability to self-observe increases. One aspect of any posture is interoception, or observing what we are feeling inside of our bodies. Sensing heart rate, respiration, or feelings of hunger and digestion are all examples of this. Today we are going to take a look at the anatomy of breathing in order to bring even more awareness to what's happening on the inside. Breathing is pretty unique in that it's the one function in our body that can be 100% autonomic or voluntary. It is simply taking in oxygen with inspiration and returning CO2 to the environment with expiration. The autonomic function of breath is subconsciously directed from the respiratory center of the brain. We can also voluntarily change the intensity, rhythm, or volume of breath by conscious choice. Practices of breath control, or pranayama, cultivate our ability to more fully integrate the brain, which promotes healthy function. One thing that many people don't realize is that breathing happens as a result of pressure change. It seems as if we are simply drawing the air in, when in fact our breathing musculature is engaging to create an increased volume and negative pressure in the thoracic cavity, which creates a flood of air in from the environment. There is a constant shape changing happening between the thoracic and abdominal cavities. As the volume of the thoracic cavity increases, the volume of the abdominal cavity decreases, and vice versa. Let's take a moment now to simply observe natural breath. So find a comfortable seat and close your eyes. No need to make any changes to your breathing now. Begin paying attention to the subtle movements right before and during your inhale. Just simply observe. And just stay with that, just observe. Now notice, do you feel the shape of your abdominal cavity change? Just observe this. It might help to place hands on your belly. As you inhale, the thoracic chest cavity gets bigger and the abdominal cavity decreases. You can feel this as the belly pushes out slightly. Think of your abdominal organs being squished down and out with the inhale. Now just simply observe this. Now notice the movements right prior to and during the exhale. Can you notice more shape changes? Just stay with this observation. As air leaves, the thoracic cavity decreases and the abdominal cavity increases. You will feel this as your belly draws back in and up. You can open your eyes. Now let's take a look at the video included on respiration to see it all in action.